bit of rain, but okay. We're gonna hit box 34, 35 today. And Lockport. I wish we could stop for a moment at Lockport, but it's not part of the plan. Lockport, Bridge, Adams Street, and then right after that is supposedly the 34, 35 double locks.
You got mass control.
Lock 34, I know. Thank you for the reminder. This was our biggest lock, our last two locks. Let me hold on to that, Papa. Yeah, I see it. Good job, Papa. Love that picture.
Don't fall in.
Big rock. You guys are doing great. Keep it up. Guys, how was that? Lock 34.
That was rough.
You guys rock.
I enjoyed it though.
You guys rock. Hey,
Look
Captain.
how dirty we are.
Thumbs up.
You see how dirty we are?
It's raining. Don't worry about it.
Glad I got Ben Gay on that. That helped.
Yeah, got Ben Gay on.
Oh, yeah.
Where lock 34 had a runaway valve, pushed us really hard up against the port side, scraped up the rub rail a little bit. We'll probably be able to, rub it out, I hope. But now we're going to stair step up into this next lock, which is 35. So you actually go from one lock to the next without even leaving the lock per se. So pretty interesting lock here. So each of them's 25 feet up. So we're gonna go up 50 feet altogether.
Nice, slower than that, probably. All right. And the next lock is actually smoothing all the way up to the very front. Okay. The way the turbulence works is actually smoothing the passenger 34, 45 is actually smoother all the way up front.
Okay.
Is that lock?
It was still fun. It was still a fun ride.
It was a little faster than I was anticipating.
Glad we weren't over on that side.
So,
It's like an amusement park ride.
what's
It's
up?
like an amusement park
There
ride.
you go.
Hey guys, is the next one better or worse?
He said it's going to be easier and we're going to go up farther, less turbulent.
Perfect.
Maria,
Yeah.
we're missing Stoogie. That's great.
Yeah, I see that. Best burger and bars. Wow, that was very turbulent. We just lifted up lock 34. And the lock master is going to open up the other doors. And that's going to take us into lock 35. But what I hear is not going to be as turbulent. We'll see. Waiting for the doors to open. Drew and Captain of Pau Hana did exceptionally well handling lock 34. We were a little bit concerned about it.
You know what you need.
There we're 25 feet higher than we were. When we get up to this next lock, we're gonna be 50 feet higher than we were. And that's the last lock until we're ready to head out into the lake.
Lock doors are opening and we're moving right into the next lock. How about that? That's crazy. Double lock, that's what they call it, the double lock.
Yeah, it's slimy. That's $1 in the curse jar.
Slimy
Man,
rock wall.
I'd be a millionaire on this trip, dude.
Easy does it. We're doing great. You guys are doing great. I'm just watching. You guys are doing exceptionally well. You're nothing to it.
Damn road runner tonight.
Yeah, lock 35, nothing.
So, push it back off.
Doors are open. Colleen's got a bad shoulder and she's just a trooper, isn't she?
You can hang onto the whole rope now. You don't need that anymore.
Lock 35 conquered. Yeah!
Oh, I can't see where to put my
Everybody's
toe.
working outside of their comfort zone. I've got the easiest job here, I guess. Making sure the master's out.
Okay, no makeup, no contacts. This is live footage.
Yeah.
Real.
Real.
Down to earth.
Live, raw.
No fake.
No fake.
No made up.
No made up.
Right.
Rob, good job getting through lock 34 and 35.
And if we didn't have
In the rain. Good job! In the rain.
That rain's help.
I would say if we didn't have rain, we'd be using paddles to push off the dirt. Niagara up there.
We are finishing the last lock on the Erie Canal. This is lock 35. We are now complete with the locks on 35. Erie Canal locks conquered. We got one more lock to go, which is not part of the Erie Canal, but quite an accomplishment.
And we're out of here. Lock 34, lock 35. Stick a fork in it. We're done. So Pau Hana made it to lock 34 and 35 double locks. Everything worked out great. Now we're headed on the. Are we on the Niagara?
It's still the Erie Canal.
Oh, still the Erie Canal.